So there's a wave, an explosion of elder abuse and exploitation cases that are about to hit the state of Florida, and I want people to understand what this means. There's a perfect storm out there, and that is elders with trillions of dollars locked away in financial accounts. We got lots of kids that are angling on how they're going to get the most of that. Now, I want to give an example of what elder abuse and exploitation looks like and how it can be clawed back in a probate case with something that I'm currently dealing with. So let's say that mom is getting old. Everybody knows it. Mom's got a couple $1,000,000 socked away, and the kid comes down and is helpfully taking care of mom. But it becomes clear that mom needs to be in a facility. So they start looking around. They start finding there's lots of facilities around, but lo and behold, they're very expensive. $10,000 a month is not unheard of. It can go up a lot more than that. But what kids start thinking about is, well, wait a minute. If we put mom into this home, the $2,000,000 that she has that we're all waiting for ain't coming to us. So they start poking around on the internet. Maybe they go into Google, ChatGPT, and they start trying to figure out a way to hide mom's assets and then dump her in a home. There are attorneys out there that engage in Medicaid or Medicare planning, and when they follow the rules, that's perfectly acceptable, perfectly legal. But there's a lot of people out there that are making big mistakes. Even in the prior era of ethical and reasonable Medicare and Medicaid planning, those rules are very strict, very easy to break, and particularly when you got a client that's misleading you about what mom and dad's assets are. But here's what I want people to think about. When mom or dad are older, you're in probate, maybe the kid that's down here that's been in control of mom or dad's finances, and they're engaging in actions of jointly titling assets or gifting out, transferring assets, and misleading and misrepresenting on Medicaid or Medicare applications in order to get mom into those facilities. That's very bad news for everybody involved. If you're one of the other siblings that's watching this, do not participate. Do not pay attention. There's some serious ethical and other consideration that attorneys are going to have to start thinking about when they find out that clients, the kids of these people that are in facilities have been participating in Medicare, Medicaid fraud by not accurately and honestly disclosing assets. When we're seeing this sort of stuff in probates, it's going to produce a whole lot of litigation for the other innocent parties, but with the intense focus that the federal government in particular is pushing down at the state level and requiring that people fully disclose. And when you know that Medicare has a 5-year look back period to claw all that stuff back, this is something that when you're involved in probate, whether as a client or as an attorney, you really need to pay careful attention to it. Like and subscribe to this and leave comments if you've got questions about that.